Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your account name as well as your password and your recovery phrase. After logging in, you will be taken into your wallet homepage. Now, if you wish to reveal your wallet address and share it with someone else, then you can do this by various different methods. Right within your homepage, you will see the copy icon underneath the amount that your wallet has. You can tap on this copy icon and your wallet address will be copied to your device right away. Alternatively, you can also tap on the receive option in order to reveal your QR code as well as your wallet address. You can tap on the share button in order to share this code, or you may also tap on copy to share the address manually. If you wish to receive funds from another wallet apart from imToken, then tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Manage Wallets. From here, tap on Your Wallet and then tap on Your Current Account. From here, you will see the Connect with Other Wallet Apps option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now give you another QR code that can be used from any wallet application. And there you have it. Those are the various different ways by which you can reveal your wallet address on imToken. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.